we're going to show how to use Plasmic to visually build a page containing Sanity content in it. We're going to go to the Insert menu and go to the Component Store, where we'll look for Sanity and insert that into our page. We're prompted to configure the settings, so we can do so from the left sidebar and choose the dataset and project that we want to pull data from. In this case, we're just going to leave it at the default, which is this dataset that contains a bunch of movies in it. We're going to close this tab. And if I zoom in a little bit, we'll see a message saying that we have to specify a valid grok query or select a document type. So if I just go to the right sidebar, if I click on the document type, I can see listed right there all the types from this dataset. So I can simply go ahead and select movie. This is now going to show a collection in a grid of all the movies from our dataset. And for each one, it's going to show this just by default, a single Sanity field. It's currently unset, so we have to choose which field we want. Again, we can just click on this and see listed right there all the available fields and simply select the one we want, such as title. So now it's showing this 4-column grid of all the movie titles. Let's say we want to show a second field here. So I'm going to copy and paste this and set the second one to be poster. So now we have a grid of all of the titles and posters. And from here, you can really customize exactly what you want the design to look like. So for instance, let's say I want to drag this title down below the poster and add a little bit of spacing between the two. Let's say we want to set the typography to be a little bit larger and to be semi-bold and centered. And let's say that also on mobile, it's feeling a little cramped. So I can actually just, using Plasmic's powerful design capabilities, I can record some overrides that are specific to the mobile variant and simply set the number of columns to be 2 on this grid. So now we have this very simple responsive design containing data straight from our Sanity dataset. And as with all the Component Store components, this is open source. So you can go ahead and fork it and customize the Sanity integration to exactly your own schema and your needs for your Sanity dataset.